This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. In every generation, there are those not chosen by ceremony but by calling. They don't wear crowns, but they carry something more valuable: truth wrapped in rhythm, memories sealed in word. They are the modern griots, living voices preserving a sacred frequency. Griots were once village historians in West Africa, but today they speak from stages, classrooms, sound systems, and sometimes even street corners. They teach, they chant, they remind, but most of all, they resist. The dub poet with a mic in hand, the DJ who weaves protest into every beat, the teacher using verse to awaken sleeping minds, each one part of a lineage, stretching back centuries, forward ever, backward never. People like Mutabaruka, who don't just write poems, he declared revolution in italic. His barefoot walk was not a gimmick. It was a step away from colonial footprint. Voices like Linton Johnson, who turned English into patois warfare. Each line a bullet of truth in the belly of Babylon. And today, we've mentioned it before, but artists like Chronic, Protege, they continue the mission, reminding a new generation that roots are not just where you're from, but what keeps you standing, even beyond music. In classrooms across the world, teachers are griots too. Those who rewrite the curriculum, infuse pride into lesson plans, and let young Black children know that they are descendants of greatness, not statistics. There are griots in sound clashes, spinning vinyls with purpose. There are griots in podcasts, speaking life over algorithms. And there are griots in every community, some who we see, know, and speak to, even when no one is listening. They don't all rhyme, they don't all chant, but they preserve the sacred frequency. You see what I'm saying here? That timeline transmission of identity, resistance, and spiritual survival. In the digital age, the griot hasn't vanished. They've adapted, remix, if you will. They upload, they go live, not to chase clout, but to chase clarity, to reach the ears that will still believe in memory, believe in truth. And maybe, just maybe, you are a griot too. The way you carry stories, the way you refuse silence, even without words, the way you let your voice shake the dust off forgotten names. The griot is no longer just a figure from speech. They're alive among us, most importantly, within us, guarding the culture, preserving the soul, keeping the frequency sacred. They tried to silence us, erase us from their book, distort us in their media, and forget about us in their curriculum. But you can't bury truth forever. Every story I share is a fist to the silence, a reminder that our history didn't begin with chains, and it damn sure doesn't end with them. If you feel uncomfortable, good. That means it's working. So I'm Michaela, and I'm not here to make it pretty. I'm here to make it known. We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.